What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to shorten links. Let's imagine the following scenario. You did write a post or your social network or the link that you want to enclose on your post. It's too big, like this one from Visual Modo blog, for example. A post with a long title, so a long page URL, a long page link. And to share it with our friends, some SMSs, for example, or in our social media, this link it's too big and we would like to short it. And how to do that? First of all, we're gonna load the bit.ly website, bit.ly, and we're gonna click on Get Started. As soon as you click on Get Started, the website gonna show you the pricing options, but we do have a free plan. We can start for free. And using this site, we even can customize the links in the case that you want. For example, bit.ly, the bit.ly, and the custom URL. I'm gonna share it with you. Let's click on Get Started and now scroll a bit down until you see this option, Interested in a free plan. Sign up here. Now you can sign up with your Google account or just type your username, email and password. Just remember that the password needs to have 6 characters or more, 1 number, 1 special character and 1 letter, at least. Now you can, after you finish to fulfill this field, you can click on Sign Up with Email. Click on this blue button and you're gonna be loading the dashboard of the bit.ly. First of all, the bit.ly want to know more about you. You can type use for personal. It's gonna ask your first name and your last name and what are you looking to do. I'm gonna set social media marketing, but this is about you, your first and last name, and click on the save button. Now we are on the dashboard of the bit.ly. As soon as you access the bit.ly, gonna send you to your email inbox a verification email. Please open your email and click on it to secure your account and verify your email. After that, this tab gonna be closed. And the very first thing to do is click on the button, this big orange button called Create Your First Link. First of all, we're gonna get this big link, copy and post here. And now we're gonna click on Create. The bit.ly gonna apply a suggested URL for this, but you can change this. You can customize your link. For example, in this post, we are talking about a checker tool about content. So you can type this. You can add some tags to find your links in the analytical tools. For example, this is an article from a blog and it's talking about a checker tool. So this is good enough. You can add a title to this link. This is just for organization. The one important is the customize back health. As you can see, we can apply some kind of characters. So you need to remove it. Let's remove the space. Save. The custom link is taken, so we need to change it. Let's try plagiarism 2, for example, instead of checker. I'm gonna be deleting the word checker and type 2. And here we have link has been edited. So we can now share the link in our social medias or copy the link. As you can see, the link it's really much shortened than the original one. And if you go to your browser tab or if you share with your friends, you're gonna see that as soon as you click on this, you're gonna be redirected to the original post with the original link. This is the best free method to shorten your links, your long links. And of course, it do offer some analytical tools that you can see the list of the clicks and the period of where someone clicks on it and from something. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question left. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you later. All the best!